Hello and welcome. Just got to the food hall. We are at the NEC. Hopefully get some free samples and some nice food while we are here. Bit of gin for sale just here. This is a place I'm looking forward to trying. That is the price. These are sausage rolls and pastries. They look absolutely amazing.
Just a plain oinker. There we go. Roast. So it's got a bit of stuffing, bit of apple. Obviously with the pork, help yourself.
You carry on.
Yeah, predominantly it's a sausage roll with a little hint of an extra bit of flavour to it.
What do you think?
Everything you see on the stall will stay fresh in the fridge until Thursday, so you're no rush to eat it. It's also all freezable, and we do any 3 items mixing your pasties, your pies.
The pastries, sausage rolls look amazing here. I've just filmed. The pork, chilli and garlic sausage roll is absolutely amazing. The magic knife. There is just so many different. Popping it an ice cream. These are meringues. Flour and white. Natural flavours and colours. This stall sells honey, as you can see. Just over there we have Celtic Spirit. And just here we have the Cornish cheese.
So we want number 4, don't we?
The tasting theatre.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. We're mixing things up. So grab number 4 and do that for number 4.
This is good practice.
Pardon?
Good practice.
Good practice. I know, yeah, that's a little trial run.
And here we have the wine club.
It's a very light style, using local botanicals, things like...
I'm assuming you can sign up and taste wine for the hour.
And the alcohol, add Jeffrey, and it's spelled with a G.